Thanks for tuning into this video. Combat Bahng Mahng Ee sparring is an exciting element of training available to ATA martial arts students. Its purpose is to work on range, distance, targeting, reaction time, speed, reading an opponent, offense, defense, and timing. The drill demonstrated in this video is designed to improve a student's skill set. The more you practice the drill, the more enhanced the skill will become. This in turn will increase confidence when used in Combat Bahng Mahng Ee sparring matches. The Panther strike. So the Panther strike is going to be a skip with the back foot up and off the line. So you're getting out of the way of an incoming attack. This is going to be a flick of the wrist that's going to almost go past you, behind you, where you're hitting the target. So this is like Panther strike A. There's also a Panther strike B. If you want to give it a different look, turn the stick out this way. This could look like the start of a lightning strike, coming to the other side, and then flipping the wrist like a fan strike as you come through gives you a different look. So the Panther strike would be the back leg hopping forwards, springing. If you could do it while you're in the air, jump, add the extra point, but just get out of the way, get off the line of a straight incoming attack and almost like trail it. One of the things for your strikes is always how it sets up your next strike. So this puts you in a position when you're here that you can change, pa, 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 and come back in. So that is the Panther strike. As always, a video is no substitute for consistent training and feedback from your instructor. Be sure to prepare for your next goal by creating good habits that will stick with you. Don't forget to like, comment if you enjoyed this technique and how it worked for you, and subscribe for more techniques. See you next time.